Hello, welcome to everyone in this video. This is our lecture number 25 of the series, that is the problem solution for electricity and magnetism. We already covered the solution for chapter 2 of this book, that is the Electrodynamics by DJ Griffith, and for chapter 3, that is problem number 3.1 to 3.25, we already covered up, right? So in this lecture we want to discuss about the problem number 3.26 to 3.33 of this book, that is the Electrodynamics by DJ Griffith. This is the part 12 for the solution of this book, and the rest of the lectures among these 24 lectures, the rest of the lectures actually consist the solution of this book, that is the Basudev Ghosh B Ghosh book for electricity and magnetism, right? So if you wants to watch the previous lecture, go to the description box, you will be get the link from where you can get the access for this previous lecture, right? So let's start with the question number 2.36, which says that a sphere of radius capital R centered at the origin carries a charge density, write this, okay, where k is a constant, r theta are equal spherical coordinate, usual spherical coordinate system. Find the approximate potential for the point on the z axis. So we need to find out the potential at a distance z from the origin, which is far away from the sphere. You know from the multiple expansion that is the potential of any point is consists the potential due to monopole, potential due to dipole, potential due to quadrupole, octopole, and so on. Clear? So if you wants to find out the potential due to monopole, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught rho rho d tau, that is the charge, total charge, and the monopole dipole potential consists 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r square r prime cos theta rho d tau. This expression we already discussed in the previous lecture for the solving the Vasudev Ghosh problem. I think last chapter, that is was chapter 3, okay, and this is the quadrupole potential term and so on. Clear? So we need to find out this integration for this case, right? So for monopole term, that is the monopole moment, that is the rho d tau, this term actually called monopole moment. So if you wants to find out this value, put the value of rho, and elementary volume in spherical polar coordinate system is r square sin theta d theta d phi dr. So taking the r component theta and phi component, you can see here for the integration of this r, that is r into r square by 2, 2 cancel out, 0 to r, if you put this capital, this becomes r square minus r square, which is 0, and if you put 0, this is also 0. So finally this term get you 0, so the product also gives 0. So the potential from the monopole constitutes to give you 0, right? For in case of the dipole, you put this value of rho, and you can see here finally you can see this theta term, you can see here this theta term gives you sin cube theta by 3, sin pi is 0, sin 0 is 0. So finally you got the total 0, because one term 0 multiplied to others all gives you 0. In case of the quadrupole moment, if you put this value of rho, and finally if you integrating, just carefully integrate, you will be get find out the last finally you will be get this equation, okay. I think you can do this integration. If there is any problem, you can follow up this calculation, and finally you get this value, and the potential becomes, so this term only, and the previous two term are getting 0, so you will get this potential like that, okay. We can put this integrate value, with that you will be get this potential. Clear? If any doubt, you must comment in the comment box. Next question: four particles, one charge q, 3q and 2r minus 2q are shown in this figure. So there is 3q, q, and these two are minus 2q situated at like that. Each distance a from this origin. Find the simply approximate formula for the potential valid at a point far away from this origin. That's mean we need to find out the potential at the point which is far away from this origin, from this configuration, right? So the total momentum, monopole momentum can be written as the total charge of this system, which is nothing but 3q plus q minus 2q and minus tq, which is finally you get this 0, right. So the total monopole momentum is monopole moment is 0, and dipole moment you know summation qi ri. So in case of the 3q the position vector is a z cap, in case of q this is position vector minus a z cap, in case of minus 2q this is the minus a y cap, and in case of this 2 minus 2q the position vector is a y cap. So if you putting this all things you finally get this 2 aq z cap. So the dipole potential, the potential due to this dipole is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon of p dot r cap by r square. So here the z cap dot r cap, z cap dot r cap is nothing but z cap dot r cap is nothing but, if you wants to find z cap dot r cap, this is nothing but cos theta, because the angle between z and r is cos theta in this spherical polar coordinate system. So putting this value you will get the potential due to dipole. Okay, I think clear, because there we need to find out the pressure spherical coordinate. Okay, so we take the only monopole and dipole term. Okay, next question. In example 3.9 we derive the exact potential for a spherical shell of radius r which carries this surface charge density. Calculate dipole moment of this charge distribution. Just before we find out this dipole moment is r cos theta rho dphi, because their charge is on surface, so rho dv replaced by this sigma ds, rho dv replaced by this sigma ds. So putting these values of this r is r capital R, because on the surface r cos theta, and k sigma is the k cos theta, and ds on the surface, that is small area on the surface of the sphere, is nothing but r square sin theta d theta d phi. So if you putting this value integrate on the theta, because integration of 2 pi d phi is 2 pi, integration of d phi gives you 2 pi. So finally you get this integration of this theta, that is the cos square theta, and sin theta can be written as d of cos theta, there is a minus arise. So finally you get this expression, this thing. So this is the dipole moment, and you can see this is the value, and due to symmetry you can see this direction will be along the z direction. Okay, so that's it. Next question, next part of this question, that is the final find the approximate potential at the point far away from the sphere, compare the exact of this equation, can you conclude about the higher multiple. Okay, so the potential due to dipole you will be get right this equation 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught r square, there are things here r square, sorry, there is a mistake, there was be r square, clear. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, these things we already calculate, that is the 4 third pi k r q. So this will be dot z cap dot equals to cos theta. So putting this expression you will finally get this expression. You can see here this equation, that is the 3.87 says that this potential will be k r q by 3 epsilon 1 by r square cos theta. So these two are exactly matches, that means the potential come from this dipole is exactly equal to the potential of this point due to all dipole all the moments, all the multiple moments. So far we can conclude that all the others moment, that is monopole, and so above the dipole, that is quadrupole, octopole and so on, these two are equals to 0, because total potential is equals to the potential obtained from this dipole only. So the others dipole others moment must be 0, right. Go to the next question. For the dipole in exercise 3 example 3.10, expand 1 by r plus minus in order of this is assumed determine the quadrupole moment octopole in terms of potential. Okay, so this is the expression 1 by r, in this is the 3.94. in this exercise you can see this equation in this book, that is the Electrodynamics by DJ Griffith. So put this value r prime equal to d by 2. If you was this the figure, you can say that this r prime can be written as d by 2. So putting this value for r plus, you will be get this equation, and if you wants to find out r minus, that is theta must be changed into 180 plus theta, that means there is a rotation of 180. So finally you get cos theta replaced by minus cos theta. Okay, and you know this relation. So finally if you added these two r, you can write down, because if you take only the even, these two are plus, so for even this total final is 0. In case of the value of odd value of n, you will be get there is 2, that's why this 2 is arises, and the odd the odd value of n only exist in case of the find the potential. So for monopole, because is the monopole n equals to 0, so this become must be 0. For dipole n equals to 1, for quadrupole n equals to 2 also 0, for octopole n equals to 3. Clear? So we will be get this potential term, right? So that's it for this question. Next question: 2-point charge, that is 3q and minus q, separated at a distance for each arrangement of this figure. So this is the figure 3.35. You need to find out the monopole moment, dipole moment, and approximate potential for this two term at a large distance, including both monopole and dipole contribution. Clear? So you need to find out monopole moment, dipole moment, and the potential in case of these three figure. So in case of figure 1, you can see here the monopole moment is nothing but the summation of the total charge, that is 3q minus q, which is 2q, right? So dipole moment is nothing but the p r cap, I think. So this q r cap, so this 3q at a z cap, and this q is 0, so finally a q z cap. So potential will be 1 by 4 q by r, and this is p dot r cap by r square. So p dot r cap z dot r cap is cos theta. Clear? So you will get this thing. In case of the b figure b, in case of the figure b, you can see the monopole moment will be similarly to q, and dipole moment is 3q at 0 and minus q at minus a z cap, so q a z cap. So if you take this dot product, you will be get q a cos theta by r square, right? In case of the figure c, you can see here the monopole moment is similar, and dipole moment is 3q at a y and q at 0, so you will be get this expression. So the potential will be gives you 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r, and p dot r, that is y dot you can write here, that is y dot r cap is nothing but sin theta sin phi. If you remember this spherical coordinate polar coordinate system, you can write this thing. Clear? Next question, which says that a PO dipole, that is P, is situated at the origin pointing in the z direction. What is the force on a point charge q at a 0 0? Okay. So you can see here there is a dipole that is pointing along the z axis, and you need to find out the potential force on this charge at 0 a 0 0, right? The point here is coordinate is a 0 0. So you can see here this point is nothing but the perpendicular point corresponding or relative to this dipole, right? So relative to this dipole, this point is nothing but the perpendicular point. So we can write down the electric field due to dipole at the perpendicular like that. So the potential will be this. Okay, so this is the electric field. Potential force will be q into E. So putting this value of q, we will finally got this force. Okay, and in case of this at the moment 00 a means a point here, somewhere here 00 a 00 a. So this is nothing but the 00 a means 00 a 00 a means along the axis. For the along this axis, on the axis, the electric field will be like that. I think you remember the electric field in case of perpendicular to the axis and along the axis far away from this dipole, this expression was exist. So the force will be like that, and the work done is nothing but the q into v, that is the potential difference. So just difference final minus initial, and the value of this potential, you know, the potential at the perpendicular is 0, and along the axis will gives you the finally the work done. Clear? Next question, 3-point charge are located in this figure, that is plus q minus q minus q, each of the distance a from the origin. Find the approximate electric field at point far from this origin. Okay, express your answer spherical coordinate included two lowest term or multiple. So we need to find out the multiple two term, that is the monopole moment, and this is the so the monopole due to potential due to monopole will be like that, and the dipole moment you can see here this q is at a z cap, this minus q is minus a y cap, and this minus q is equal to a y cap. So finally you get q a z cap. So the potential due to two dipole moment equals to like that. Okay, so total potential will be summation of these two find. So the electric field will be minus grad v, and in spherical polar coordinate system r cap del v del r and theta cap 1 by r del v del theta. So if you derivative this of v with respect to r, you will be get minus 1 by r square, so this becomes plus, and this is minus 2a cos theta by r cube. Similarly, in case of this integration derivative with respect to theta, you will be get this is the minus a sin theta by r square. Clear? So this is the total expression of this electric field at far away from this system. Go to the next question. We say so that the electric field at a pure dipole, equation 3103 can be written in the coordinate free form, that is if you wants to write down in coordinate free from in the r terms only. So from this figure we can write this p vector is nothing but p dot r cap into r cap. This is the component of p along this r, with this r cap gives you the r component, and similarly for theta component. So finally you get this expression. So p of there is a only r theta function, that's why we take this two portion, no phi component. So if you wants to find out this expression, actually it wants to back calculation, you can see here. So if you wants to find out this expression, this nothing but p cos theta r cap and minus p vector equals to like that, putting this value you will get this expression, and this is nothing but this expression. So just replace, you will be get this expression, right? I think clear about all these things. If there is any doubt, it must comment in the comment box, right? So that's it. This is all about me, and this is my contact details, and this is my YouTube channel details. Go to this channel, you will be get this others video regarding physics, and like this session, share this video to your friends so that he or she also get benefit from this video. Subscribe this channel if you new in this channel, and those already subscribed, thanks for subscription. Press the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming video. So take care, we will meet in the next video as soon as possible. Thank you.